Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 4Byte Solutions. This is going to be our first video regarding automations with Google Sheets. In this video we are going to see how you can set up and use the to-do checklist for your business so that you and your employees never forget the important tasks ever again. The to-do checklist is designed in such a way that once you enter the task and set their frequencies, you will be automatically reminded to do these tasks via email on daily basis. You can enter recurring as well as date-specific tasks with frequencies ranging from daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, and yearly. And to top it off, you get a checklist where you can mark the task as done. Now let's begin with the setup. You will find the link for registration form in the description below. Open that link and register with your email address. Enter your details. Enter your company name so that we can reach you easily. Enter your contact number with country code. Select yes if you want to grow your business using automations. Select download now and click on submit. You will find the link here after the submit window. If you accidentally close this window, you can go to your email and check your inbox. The link will be sent to you within 24 hours. Open this link and you will find the to-do checklist with a template. On the top right, click the blue Use Template button. This will make a copy of the system on your Google Drive. To set up, you will find 4-byte menu on the top. It might take a little while to load depending on your internet speed. As you can see, the 4-byte menu has loaded. Click here and click on Authorize First Time. You need to authorize the Google Sheets to use scripts. That is why this authorization window is required. Click Continue. Click on your email ID. Here you will go to Advanced. There you will find Go to User Checklist (unsafe). That's because we are not registered on Google as a developer yet. Scroll down and you will find Allow. After you have successfully authorized, you can verify by clicking on Authorize First Time once again. This time you will get a pop-up Successfully authorized. If you are not getting this pop-up, that means you have failed to authorize and you will have to repeat the authorization process. Now let us begin the setup part. Here you can see I have entered quite a few task details which are related to the accounts department. In this to-do checklist file, you will have to go to the master sheet. Here you can enter the name of your employee or yourself if you are going to use this for your. As you can see, I have entered my name and some tasks that I want to do. In these fields, you do not need to edit the serial number as it will automatically take the serial number. As you can see, when I entered a new field, it automatically put up the new serial number. Similarly, you can set the frequency for any task: yearly, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or maybe half yearly. Now select the day. Just double click on this cell and select a specific day or date for your use. If you are selecting weekly as the frequency, suppose I select the weekly frequency in here. You can select the day or date. It will bring up the upcoming day for that particular cell. After this, you can set the frequencies and remind before days. For example, I have used 7 days reminder for the yearly task, 4 days reminders for quarterly task, and so on. You do not need to edit the target date or reminder from. Now, you can see there is a sheet today's reminders. All the tasks that are to be done today will be shown here. Now, to turn on the reminders in your employees sheet or your sheet, just go to 4-byte menu and click on Turn on Email Reminders. After you get the message successfully turned on email reminders, click on OK. These emails will be sent to you every morning at 9 a.m. For showing the emails, I will click here, Email Today's Pending Tasks. As you can see, the script has finished running, so I can go to my email and refresh, and you can see here there is a list in the table for today's task, and the link to open the sheet is also present here. Your employee or you can open the sheet directly from here, and in the checklist you can see which tasks are to be done today, and if you have done them, just tick mark these checkboxes. As you tick mark them, they will turn from red to green. This solution is best suited for those businesses which have recurring tasks to be done daily, weekly, or monthly basis. This is also a great tool to remind you of your quarterly, half-yearly, and yearly tasks, which we often tend to forget. If you want to contact us directly, go to the 4-bytes menu and click Contact Us. Here you will find a help dialog title and a Google form. Just fill this form, select your query, you can enter any other query, and click on Submit. We will reach to you shortly. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more.